Hi guys. Welcome to True Channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Top 25 natural phenomenon in the world. So make sure to watch the full video. Nature is an amazing thing. It provides us with beauty, sustenance, and a wealth of remarkable phenomena to marvel at. From the splendor of the northern lights to the awesome power of a tornado, the planet is full of incredible sights to behold. In this blog, we'll explore some of the most amazing natural phenomena in the world. 1. Aurora Borealis. The aurora borealis or northern lights is a natural light display in the sky, usually seen in the Arctic regions. It is caused by collisions between electrically charged particles from the sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere. The lights are seen in many colors, including green, pink, and purple, and can be seen in a variety of shapes, including arcs, rippling curtains, and spirals. 2. Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is a massive gorge in the state of Arizona, carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. It is one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world, stretching 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep. The canyon walls are composed of stunningly colorful layers of rock, revealing millions of years of geological history. 3. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is one of the world's most impressive waterfalls, located on the Zambezi River between Zambia and Zimbabwe. It is the largest curtain of falling water in the world, measuring over a mile wide and over 350 feet high. At peak flow, over 500 million liters of water flow over the edge of the falls every minute. 4. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, located in the Himalayas between Nepal and Tibet. It stands at 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet, above sea level and is the ultimate challenge for mountain climbers. It has been scaled by thousands of people since the first successful ascent in 1953. 5. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the world's most famous natural wonders, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It is the world's largest coral reef system, stretching over 1,400 miles and composed of over 2,900 individual reefs. It is home to an incredible diversity of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish, over 400 species of coral, and over 30 species of whales and dolphins. 6. Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is an iconic volcano located on the island of Honshu in Japan. It is the highest mountain in the country, standing at 3,776 meters, 12,388 feet, tall. It is a popular pilgrimage site for Japanese Buddhists and a popular tourist destination. It is also a symbol of Japan and is featured in many works of art. 7. Paricutin Volcano. Paricutin is an inactive volcano located in the Mexican state of Michoacán. It is notable for its rapid growth, having formed in 1943 from a field of corn in a matter of days. It eventually grew to a height of 424 meters, 1,394 feet, and had a diameter of 1.6 kilometers, 1 mile. It is now a popular tourist destination. 8. Black Forest. The Black Forest is an area of deep forests and rolling hills located in the southwest of Germany. It is a popular tourist destination, known for its picturesque beauty and its many castles, quaint villages, and thermal spas. It is also home to a variety of wildlife, including red deer, wild boar, and the iconic cuckoo bird. 9. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls located on the border between Canada and the United States. It is the most powerful waterfall in North America and is one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world. It is also a source of hydroelectric power, producing up to 4.4 gigawatts of electricity. 10. Sailing Stones. The Sailing Stones are rocks located in the Racetrack Playa in Death Valley, California. They move across the dry lake bed, leaving trails behind them. The mysterious phenomenon has been studied since the early 1900s and is still not fully understood. It is believed to be caused by wind and ice, which push the stones along the lake bed. 11. El Niño. El Niño is a climate phenomenon which occurs every 2 to 7 years in the equatorial Pacific Ocean. It is characterized by a warming of the ocean surface which can cause extreme weather conditions around the world, including floods, droughts, and heat waves. It can also cause changes in fish populations, affecting the livelihoods of fishing communities. 12. Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the production of light by living organisms, usually in the form of a chemical reaction. It is found in a wide variety of species, from fireflies to deep-sea fish, and is used for a variety of purposes, including camouflage, communication, and attracting prey. 13. Monsoon. The monsoon is a seasonal wind system which affects much of South and Southeast Asia. It is characterized by heavy rains and strong winds and can cause flooding, mudslides, and other extreme weather conditions. The monsoon is a vital source of water for agriculture in the region, and its effects are felt by millions of people. 14. Supercell thunderstorms. Supercell thunderstorms are a type of severe thunderstorm characterized by rotating updrafts. They are the most destructive type of thunderstorm, producing damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. They are most common in the United States, particularly in the Great Plains region. 15. Permafrost. Permafrost is soil that remains frozen for more than 2 consecutive years. It is found in polar and high-altitude regions and covers about 25% of the Earth's land surface. It is an important part of the global climate system, as it stores large amounts of carbon and can release methane when it thaws. 16. Geysers. A geyser is a hot spring that periodically ejects a column of water and steam into the air. They are most common in areas of high geothermal activity, such as Iceland and Yellowstone National Park. They are powered by the heat of the Earth's core and can reach heights of over 200 feet. 17. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse is an astronomical phenomenon which occurs when the Earth passes between the Moon and the Sun, casting a shadow on the Moon's surface. It is a spectacular sight, as the Moon turns red or orange during the eclipse. Lunar eclipses can be seen from anywhere on the night side of the Earth. 18. Volcanic eruptions. A volcanic eruption is the release of molten rock, ash, and gases from a volcano. It can cause great destruction, but can also create new land and enrich the soil with nutrients. Some of the most famous eruptions in history include Mount Vesuvius in 79 CE, Mount St. Helens in 1980, and Krakatoa in 1883. 19. Sun dogs. Sun dogs are an atmospheric phenomenon in which bright spots appear on either side of the sun. They are caused by the refraction of light through ice crystals in the atmosphere and can appear in a variety of colors, including red, yellow, and blue. They are often seen in cold, northern climates. 20. Rainbows. Rainbows are one of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring natural phenomena. They are created when sunlight is refracted by water droplets in the atmosphere, creating a spectrum of colors. They are most commonly seen after a rain shower, but can also be seen in waterfalls, fountains, and even spray from a garden hose. 21. Sand dunes. Sand dunes are mounds of loose sand that are formed by wind erosion. They can range in size from small hills to massive mountains and are found in deserts, beaches, and other areas with plenty of wind and sand. They provide habitat for a variety of wildlife and are also popular destinations for hikers and sandboarders. 22. Tides. Tides are the regular rise and fall of sea levels caused by the gravitational forces of the Moon and the Sun. They are most noticeable in coastal areas, where they cause the daily fluctuations in the water level. They can be predicted with great accuracy and are an important part of the ocean's ecosystem. 23. Tornadoes. Tornadoes are powerful columns of rotating wind which can cause great destruction. They form when warm, moist air rises and is then twisted by the rotation of the Earth. They are most common in the United States, particularly in the Midwest, but can also occur in other parts of the world. 24. Hailstorms. Hailstorms are a type of severe thunderstorm characterized by falling ice pellets, or hailstones. They can cause serious damage to crops, vehicles, and buildings and can be very dangerous to people. They are most common in temperate regions, particularly in the spring and summer months. 25. Wildfires. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that spread rapidly through brush, grass, and trees. They can be caused by lightning, human activity, or natural phenomena and can cause great destruction. They are most common in dry, warm climates, such as those found in the western United States. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.